Query ledger is where you can see details about a particular ledger. You can access the query ledger by clicking on the QL tab in the top navigation bar. When you enter QL, the bank is selected by default. There are 4 parts in QL. Left hand side has all the filters, right hand side and details and summary. You can also choose to view your ledgers yearly, monthly, daily or even transaction wise. To do so, use the TDMY buttons. Drill down from month to daily to transaction by double clicking on the date. Click on the blue dot to see the voucher. There is a persistent top bar on the right hand side that displays the opening and closing balance and also the transaction amount. Summary gives a condensed view of a particular ledger. These can be seen in the following views. By type means segregates by voucher type. By ledger segregates using the opposite ledger and also displays the transaction details. Group gives a group-wise listing of all the ledgers and the transactions associated with the selected ledger. Coming back to filters. You choose the date range you wish to work in after you log in the landing page. In Query Ledger, suppose you wish to see data for a particular year, month or week. You can do so using the date controls. You can either type in the date or you can use the date control and choose the desired dates. To view details of another ledger, you can do so using the Smart Text field. The data in different formats. Standard. This option is chosen by default. Displays the basic set of columns like type, opposite ledger, amount, etc. Running balance. Choosing this option will show you the closing balance after each transaction. This format shows vouchers that have been linked to this particular voucher. For example, it will show a payment voucher that has been linked to a purchase voucher. This format shows second level of vouchers that have more than 2 ledgers involved. For example, TDS deducted for salary will show along with the salary ledger. TE format shows you receipt and payment side by side. Click on View Documents. It will show all the documents related to the selected ledger. You will be redirected to the doc grid on the click of this.